All right, hello, welcome to the weather update. It's almost 10 o'clock. It's the 2nd of April. Good deal of sunshine today and some clouds. We actually started off with some clouds in the morning. This doesn't really go far back enough, but we did have some clouds around in the morning. Actually, we can go here, look at ice slips observations. You should be able to see that we had some clouds in the morning. So right now it's 42. We'll go over the current conditions in a minute, but if we go and we look at this, you'll see that in the morning we had a partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, and then it sort of cleared up around 10 o'clock a little bit, and then the high clouds kind of came back in as we went through the afternoon here. So let's get to the satellite image today, and this is what it looked like around 10, 11 o'clock, and there was some nice clear skies. It's too bad I was planning on going to the Pine Barrens, but it just wasn't up to it, unfortunately, especially with no train service. And then knowing the Cirrus was going to come and roll in on us right in the middle of the day, like 1, 2 o'clock. I'm like, I'm not going to do it. I did go to somewhere nice, though, but I didn't go to the Pine Barrens. I did see a few pines, though, so went somewhere with some pines, just not the Pine Barrens. So let's go and look at the current conditions right now. We do have that sea breeze in effect. The wind's kind of shifted around after 5 o'clock. 43 at Islip, 46 in the city where you don't have a sea breeze. And I see some radiational cooling there, 36 at Miller Air Park. Let's see what West Hampton is doing. 43 over there, interestingly enough, warmer in West Hampton. I guess because there's no radiational cooling there. Dew point's still low, dew point's in the 30s. Let's go look at the high temperatures for the day. High temperatures we had... let me pull this out a little bit so we can see all of them. So I don't have to scroll because it's always loads so slow. So 54 was the high at Islip. So everybody's pretty much in the mid-50s. Even Lakehurst there, 53. So everybody pretty much in the mid-50s, close to normal for this time of year. And again, if we look at the observations, well, we already saw the observations from Islip. So let's go now look at tropical tidbits. We're looking at the radar. It's not too much coming, but you can see this is the rain we're going to deal with tomorrow. It doesn't really look that impressive on here. So let's go to tropical tidbits and look at the models. And we're just going to cover the next 48 hours or so. I'll go more into the longer range tomorrow night. But you can see there's this low pressure system, this little clipper type system coming down tomorrow. It's going to bring us some light shower activity. And then that moves away. We have a dry day on Monday, and then this next system approaches, but kind of breaks up as we get into Tuesday, and I'm not really going to go beyond that. So let's look at the HRRR right now, and we'll got the 0Z HRRR to look at. We'll look at the precipitation here coming in here at high moves offshore. We get this disturbance coming in, and we have showers moving into the area right around late morning, and those showers are going to be with us probably through the afternoon. It's going to be scattered in nature. It won't be raining constantly, but it looks like the middle of the day is when you're going to see the most rain. Then you get later in the afternoon, the rain tapers off. That little low there moves away. And it looks like as it gets over the ocean, it looks like it gains a little bit of strength there. And then kind of sits there a little bit in the Gulf on Monday, which will give us that northwest flow. And then it moves away as we get later into the day. And it looks like it's generating some actual light shower activity over us late Monday afternoon. Hopefully Monday will be a dry day and a sunny one. But that we'll have to look at some of the other models for that. So now let's go and look at the temperatures and the dew points so you get a chance to look at the airflow here. South winds tomorrow, southeasterly winds, and that's a cold wind to have, and then they become north winds. So tomorrow will not be that warm of a day, and then as we get into Monday, we have northwest flow, and then it sort of backs to the west and southwest later on in the day. Looking at the temperatures, tomorrow will be a cool day, a very cool day actually. We're probably only going to be in the mid-40s for the most part with the clouds and those showers around, and then tomorrow night we'll drop into the mid-30s, and then for your Monday, similar temperatures to where we were today, upper 40s, low 50s. Well, actually, we got into the mid-50s today. It might actually be a little cooler on Monday, looking at some of these temperatures. So now we'll go and look at the sky cover on several models. Let's go to the RGEM first. So obviously tomorrow, plenty of clouds, overcast with the showers. Maybe we'll see the sun before it sets, probably not. It is Monday. That should be the mostly sunny day, but we're going to have to watch for this cirrus rolling in the afternoon again. Might be very similar to today with that. We'll have to see, but it won't be completely clear all day. The best clear skies are going to be in those morning hours, I think, and then the cirrus is going to roll in on us. And then Tuesday we're going to have some cirrus around, though it might dissipate a little later on. We'll have to see what happens, but definitely count on some clouds at some point on Monday. So I guess that's going to wrap up this weather update. Take care, and thank you for watching.